everyone, this is Sophie from Supplies for Candles, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's wax melt using the materials you see in front of you. To start, I'm going to use around 70 grams of wax and use the double boiler method to melt my wax. As I'm using ProSoy Pillow Wax, I'm going to heat this to around 80 degrees Celsius and keep the hob on a low heat. Once the wax is melted and reached 80 degrees, we can take this off the heat and then let cool to around 70 to 75 degrees. With our wax now at the right temperature, I'm going to be adding our pink champagne fragrance oil, which is part of our Valentine's Day collection. Here I'm adding around 6 to 10% of fragrance oil to wax, and I'm going to stir this very gently to make sure they are thoroughly combined. Now I'm going to separate my wax as I want to add some colour to the heart detail of my wax melt. I'm going to add a couple of chips of dye to create a soft pink. Now mixed, I'm going to use a pipette to fill my hearts. Leave to set for around 25 minutes. After reheating, you can add the rest of your wax. Leave to set and cure for around 1 to 2 weeks.